Okay,
Yeah.
so why do you think football is not growing in India?
Sir, football is not growing in India due to the lack of infrastructure and the lack of grassroots development programs. I'll say there is lack of good coaching abilities, and also the development program since a young age. People are less encouraged to play football, and they also concentrate on other sports like.
Hi, Paran. How are you?
Very good evening, sir. I'm really fine. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Param Divani. I'm 17 years old. I come from Thane, Maharashtra, often referred to as the city of lakes. Talking about my educational qualifications, I have completed my class 10th from Amber International School, which was
Hmm.
affiliated from CBSE. I completed my class 12 from Maharashtra State Board in Vasantgarh High School and Junior College. Talking about my family, I come from a nuclear family consisting of 5 members: me, both my parents, my grandmother, and my younger brother. My father works as a senior associate in ICICI Securities. My mother is a homemaker,
Okay.
and my younger brother has just begun his grade 9th. Talking about my hobbies, I really love to play football, and in my free time, I watch Merchant Navy videos on YouTube. I've played I
Okay.
League level football, and I've been the sports captain of my school. Also, I was the captain of my DSO football team, and we did win the finals.
So why not a great career in football, Param? Why Merchant Navy?
So I was a professional football player before COVID. I also had contracts signed until COVID, but due to COVID, everything just stopped, and uh, there was no AIFF arranged football tournaments for 2 years. So I had to take a break from football.
After that, when the tournament started, why did you not participate in them?
Sir, after that, I had to study for my grade 10th and my grade 12th. So I had to stop, and due to that, I could not
Okay.
continue.
Tell me any 2 to 3 favorite football player of yours.
Two to three favorite football, I'll say Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, I can say Tony Cruz, Sunil Chhetri,
Sunil Chetri.
Antonio
Okay.
Rudiger. Yeah.
Okay. Do you think Sunil Chetri's level is the same of Ronaldo and even in the league of Ronaldo, Messi and all?
No, sir. The league they play, Ronaldo plays in. Ronaldo used to play in Premier League. Messi used to play in La Liga. They used to play in the European football. But Sunil Chhetri played
Okay.
Indian football. ISL. He played ISL. He is not on that level, but he also achieved a great level. He is the third most international top goal scorer. So
Okay.
yeah.
So why do you think football is not growing in India?
Sir, football is not growing in India due to the lack of infrastructure and the lack of grassroots development programs. I'll say there is lack of good coaching abilities, and also the development program since a young age. People are less encouraged to play football, and they also concentrate on other sports like cricket. Yeah,
You don't like cricket?
I do like cricket, sir. I do like every outdoor sport, but I'll side with football more.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So suppose a La Liga match is happening,
yeah,
an ISL match is happening. So which one
yeah.
will you watch?
Sir, to improve my game, I watch football games to improve myself. So I'll watch La Liga games for sure.
हे गाइस, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट, और जो स्किप नहीं होगा इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Okay. So do you watch Indian football also?
Yeah, I also watch ISL matches, but
Okay.
not that much.
How did India perform at the last Asian Games?
Last
football?
Asian Games, sir, India did perform good, but I'll say they did won the South Asia, the last South Asian game. They won the tournament, but not the Asian Games. The Asian Champions League game they did not play that well. Nations.
Asian Champions League, who was the finalist with India?
Sir, no, sir. India did not make it to the final in the Asian Champions League. They made it in the
Are you
South
sure?
Asian family. South Asian. No, sir. I'm not sure that much, but I cannot recall.
Okay. So do you remember the match with Qatar where India
Yes, sir.
lost by
Qatar.
2-1?
Yes, India lost by 2-1 due to a controversial
Yeah, so-
outside throw. And
Tell me your views and opinions about that. Like,
sir, it's a football match, sir. A controversy can be made, but you cannot change once it's a goal, it's a goal. You cannot change
Okay.
the decision after the match. It's a part of a game. You have to follow it. You have to abide by the rules. If a referee says something,
So,
you have
do
to
you
stay
know-
with the decision.
so do you know about David Beckham?
I do know about David Beckham, yes.
So, do you know about his favorite shot? How does he swing that ball? How does he swing the football?
Yes, sir. The way, sir, one principle called one effect called Magnus effect is also comes in the play when David Beckham swings his ball. So the top spin, the velocity of air outside the ball and the air inside the ball, the difference between them creates that top spin from which his famous signature shot, I'll say.
Yeah.
That is the reason he can swing the ball that well.
Okay, so Param, do you know anyone from Merchant Navy?
Sir, I do not know anyone from Merchant Navy, but I found a mentor, Agnya Bhaiya, on Quora browser. So I did talk to him about this field, how everything works. So he told me about the blood and sweat required in this field, the hardships and the duties of a deck cadet. So which made me bit, I'll say, confused about it, but he did tell me about everything. So he got me through here, guided me all the way to here, and yeah, so that's all. He told me about everything which is required. So which
How much
which
is your
encouraged
PCM
me.
percentage?
So my PCM percentage is 61.3.
Why so low PCM percentage, Param?
Sir, I was really scared of. I can say I'm a bit scared and weak in chemistry part. So I was really weak in that. It was my problem, sir. I'll say it was my problem, but I'll try to improve. And I cleared my.
What is your
special
favorite
intents. My favorite subject is mathematics.
Okay, I'll get a pen and a paper. I'll give you a question and you need to solve that. Okay, so don't use any calculator, okay?
Yeah, sir.
A car is going at 90 kilometers per hour.
90 kilometers per hour.
How much distance it will cover in 20 minutes?
Okay, I do not need a pen. Sir, it will take 20 minutes and it will cover 30 kilometers.
Okay. What is Bernoulli's theorem?
Sir, Bernoulli's theorem, it states that the moving fluid. 1 second, sir. Sir, I cannot recall the definition right now, but I'll surely let you know later.
What is land breeze and sea breeze?
So land breeze and sea breeze, the difference is the land breeze, the breeze coming from the land and going towards the sea during the day, and the sea breeze comes during the night from the sea to the land due to the pressure difference created due to the difference of heating between the sea and the land.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you are saying reverse?
Okay, I may be saying reverse. It was okay. Yes, sir. I was saying it wrong.
Are you sure that you are saying it wrong?
Sir, the land breeze. Okay, sir. I'll repeat myself. The land breeze is the breeze which comes from land towards the sea during the daytime, and the sea breeze is vice versa. It comes from sea to the land during the nighttime.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me any two big things which are going on in the news right now.
Two big things going on in news right now. Sir, recently India won the T20 World Cup.
Okay.
And one more thing is in the merchant navy field, the 40% of the ships have changed their route from the Suez Canal, and instead they are going from Suez Canal, they are going through the Cape of Good Hope.
That's good. So do you know where Panama Canal is?
Yeah, Panama Canal is situated in Panama, between North America and South America. The Panama Canal attaches two big oceans, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. North Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean.
So where is Suez Canal located?
Egypt.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
Okay. So that concludes your interview. That was okay, guys. So that was a very good interview by Param. Congrats, Param. You have done a great job. You were just a little bit confused on the land breeze and sea breeze part, and
Yes, sir.
you said it right correctly the first time. Also, I was just trying to confuse you.
Yes.
By the way, just to let you guys know, even with 61% in PCM, Param has cleared interview of fleet management and synergy as well. So, great achievement, Param. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
And tell me, how did you feel your performance went in synergy interview also? How you cleared it? Just with 61%.
Sir, I just stayed confident about what I say. I was
Yeah.
They did try to confuse me even there, but I did
Yeah.
smile and just stayed calm. That's all.
Okay. How many mock interviews did you give before going for
Okay.
Synergy?
Mock,
Lead
sir,
and
lots
that?
of mock interviews. Lots of mock interviews. Lots
Okay.
of mock interviews.
Okay.
Yes.
So how was your fleet management experience also?
So fleet management, they were really like jolly. The interviews were really good. I did answer every question, and if I did not, I was just calm and just smiled with don't make them feel that I do not know anything. Just say something about it, and if you do not know anything, just tell them that you will make sure to learn that later. Try to get optimistic.
So-
Try to stay optimistic about it.
So what was the best part of your preparation? How you prepared so well that you could clear?
Sir, when I got my boards result, I was devastated. I lost my fleet sponsorship.
Even us.
So-
Even us.
Yes, sir. So I really worked hard for the Synergy interview. Had to make sure I clear it. Mock interviews daily. And suddenly,
Yeah,
when I got
I
the
remember.
date for my interview, I got the date for my interview just the day before. So I was really tense, but all the mentors helped me a lot. They made me stay calm. All the mentors.
And tips
I
for all those who have less than 65%. What should they do?
try to clear your writtens and interviews and just stay confident in interviews. Don't worry about the tech
Okay.
that much. They will ask you tech, but just the basic tech is okay. Just stay confident, keep your English fluent, and stay calm. Always keep smiling.
MS Dhoni is your favorite, I think. Stay calm always. For all for all the things. Okay, great performance, Param. It was great seeing you here, and all the best and congratulations again to you for your future journey. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
sir.
guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, Rubo, do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए देन यू डेफिनेटली नीड टू फॉलो आवर इंस्टाग्राम चैनल फॉर ऑल दिस स्टफ एंड मच मोर
Want the best notes and material for IMU CT and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.